Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download contact lists from Apollo, complete guide step by step clearly. To download contact lists from Apollo, start by logging into your Apollo account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the contacts section from the dashboard. In the contacts section, you will see a list of your existing contacts. To filter your contacts, you can use the search bar at the top or the filtering options available. Select the contacts you want to download by clicking the checkboxes next to their names. If you wish to download all contacts, you can click the checkbox at the top of the list to select all. Next, look for the Export button, typically located at the top right corner of the contacts list. Click on the Export button to initiate the download process. A pop-up menu will appear, allowing you to choose the file format for the export. Select your preferred format, such as CSV or Excel. After selecting the format, click on the Download option in the pop-up. The system will prepare your contact list and the download will begin automatically. Once the download is complete, locate the file in your device's Downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to ensure that all desired contacts are present. If needed, you can now edit or organize your contacts in whichever application you prefer. Your contact list is now successfully downloaded from Apollo. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.